First Lady.
Sister Denetta. How are you?
Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, bless your heart.
Look at you. And bless also your own heart.
And they are?
Oh, well, we're just documenting this time in our lives. Me and Lee-Curtis, obviously, with building our church back up and working towards our first service back this Easter.
Easter, you say? That's so crazy. You know that's when the Sumters are opening up their new Heaven's House location, right?
The Sumters? Really? This Easter?
Yes. Of course, this might make things a little more complicated for y'all.